smokes, dude. You're breaking everything, man.
Yeah, I am. Fuck it.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Great. Could you tell me real quick first what all's in here?
6 level 615s on 36K. Sound digital.
Sound digital. 12K. What do they wire down to?
1 ohm.
1 ohm?
Yep.
Did you build this?
Galen built this. I wired it up.
Galen. So he's just finished this one. I think I saw him finish it.
This one that's been all
Really?
in there.
Wow. Have you metered it yet? Just finished it? Just demo?
Finished it yesterday, man.
Okay.
Have fun with it.
All right. Awesome.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
She wanna ride me like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. She wanna ride me like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose.
smokes, dude. You're breaking everything, man.
Yeah, I am. Fuck it.
Bass is gonna break more and more, man.
Oh yeah, I ain't worried about it.
You happy with it?
Oh yeah, so
You
far
happy?
it's all right.
Awesome. That looks. So, what level subs are these?
Level 6.
Level 6.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. I like it, man. I appreciate it. What was your name?
Scott.
Scott.
Yeah, Scott.
Nice to meet you, Scott. I'm gonna go check out the amps too. Great demo, dude. Really music. Are they still breaking in or are they broke in? They're still breaking in? Okay. Excuse me.
She wanna ride me like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.